guys, it's April here. I just wanted to do a quick video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I've just gotten rid of the kids, so I'm trying to be a little bit more productive and thought I would do a quick video on Nano Misters and nano misting. So I have had this question from students lately and I thought I'd better address it. Some people use Nano Misters and others don't. The reason why people do is because the cyanacrylate in the lash glue actually needs moisture to dry, which you all would know. And because of this, sometimes if there's not enough humidity in the air, your glue will dry very slowly. So you have to find a way to introduce moisture. And one of those ways is using a Nano Mister. Now, the Nano Mister can sometimes be overused, and what happens is you shock cure the lashes, meaning you dry the lashes completely from the outside and then the inside is still wet. And what happens is they don't last. Your client won't have very good retention. So just a couple rules when using your Nano Mister. You should use demineralized or distilled water in your Nano Mister for a couple reasons. One of them being that the water is just cleaner. There's no nasties coming out of your tap, and it's safer. You can just buy this from the laundry section of the supermarket. And also because if you pop tap water straight into your Nano Mister, it can calcify. So it can actually ruin your Nano Mister. So definitely good reasons to use demineralized or distilled water. Yes, so with your Nano Mister, you do have to be very careful not to soak your client's lashes. This will definitely cause shock curing. And what happens is the shock curing from too much moisture will dry the outside part of the glue, and then the inside will still be wet and it'll crack and your client will have bad retention. So with your Nano Mister, try and hold it at least 30 centimeters away from the eyes. Go between both eyes and try not to concentrate it on the lashes. So distance is very important, and try not to overuse your mister. Only use it if you absolutely have to. There are other ways that you can introduce moisture into the room. I have a troubleshooting guide on the website if you'd like to grab it. It's free. But otherwise, if you guys ever have any questions about this kind of thing, just email me at ienvyco@gmail.com. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. See ya. Oh, P.S. Here's a little video showing you how to use a Nano Mister.
Lo ponga pa' atrás, tra, 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 tra. Aquí la vamos a montar.